welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Melon Cream Soda. It is a very popular drink in Japan. You can find it at any casual restaurants in Japan, like you can find Coke at restaurants. I received many requests for this recipe, so I wonder where you knew about this drink. If you have ever tried it or you just saw in manga or anime, let me know in the comments field. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Fill the glasses with ice cubes. They keep the ice cream from sinking, melting, and frothing, so you wanted to add a lot. This Meiji melon syrup was really good, but you can of course use any brand. Then add soda. Leave a little space at the top for an ice cream. Meiji Essel Super Cup is a very popular brand in Japan if you know. Place a scoop of vanilla ice cream to finish. You can use any brand of course. You can garnish with cherries if you like. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
これ混ぜてこうやって混ぜてクリームにするとまたさらに美味しいです。クリームソーダだけどあんまりねこれアイスと混ぜるとすごいブクブク出てきちゃうから、すごく美味しい。メロンソーダでシュワシュワシャリシャリしたアイスも美味しいです。こんなのね家で作ろうと思わないけど作ってみると意外とハマってまた飲みたいなって思う味です。こういうシンプルなレシピは使う素材によって使うメロンシロップによって味が全然違うと思うので、ね、ぜひ今回使ったやつなかなか良かったのでおすすめかなと思います。でも他のねメロンシロップもしかするともっと美味しいのがあるかもしれないのでいろいろ試して作ってみてください。またねーでしょ。You enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. すごいじゃん。